3. It's problem 5-61, and it says, write the equation in graphing form of each circle described below. And it's got these 3 circles. So we need graphing form. So graphing form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And if you remember h and k, h gives you a horizontal transformation and k gives you a vertical transformation. So h and k are going to actually be the center of the circle, and the radius, well, it's going to be the radius of the circle. So we can just use this and just plug these numbers in. So we can, it's going to be x minus h, so that would be x minus negative 2. X minus negative 2 is x plus 2. And then it's y minus k, so it's y minus 13 equals r squared. So r squared would be, well, we could write it as 12 squared, or we could write 144. So your book writes it as 144 because that's 12 squared. I don't care which way you write it. If you want to write 12 squared, that's okay. Okay. So the next one, we're just going to do the same thing. So we're just going to, it's going to be x minus h squared, y minus k squared equals r squared. And so we're just going to fill in the blanks for, this is going to be h and this is going to be k. So x minus negative 1 is the same as x plus 1. And then y minus negative 4 is going to be y plus 4. And then r squared, well, 1 squared is 1. Okay, and so then this one, it says a circle with this equation. Hint, complete the square for both x and y. So we haven't had a lot of practice with this. So what you want to do is get the x's. I just kind of move them around and get them together. I'm going to leave a little blank area right here for my special complete the square number, which I'm going to add in here. And then I'm going to keep writing my y squared. So like I used the x squared and the negative 6x, and now I'm using the y squared plus 16y. I'm leaving a blank spot here and here for my complete the square numbers. And I think I will make the 57 go on the other side for a while. Okay, and then I'm going to ask myself what number would complete the square here. So I don't know if you want me to draw the little picture. I think I'll draw the picture for this one, but then I won't draw it for this one. So to complete the square, we've got x squared, and we've got minus 6x. So we always, how do we do it? I think we do it this, I don't know, there's debate on which, if we want the x squared on the top left or the bottom right. I always put it on the top left, so I guess that's why I'm doing it this way. Anyway, I'm trying to see these, the negative 6x, these are my negative, this is like negative x, negative x, negative x, negative x, negative x, negative x. And these are like a picture of those tiles, those algebra tiles. And I think if you flip them over, they change color, like these are red ones. So I have an x squared and a negative 6x. And I want to know what goes in this little part. Like, how can I complete the square? So I can just kind of draw it in. And it looks like I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 little tiles to complete the square here. So I'm going to add 9. And then over here, I'm also going to add 9. And then now that I have this all completed, this is x minus 3 and x minus 3. Like if I'm thinking about an area model. So that means that I can rewrite this whole thing as x minus 3 squared. Okay, now this one I'm going to do way faster. I'm just going to say, well, how did we get this magic number, this 9? We took half of the coefficient of x and we squared it. So I'm just going to take half of 16, which is 8, and I'm going to square it, and that's going to give me 64. I know I have to add it to both sides. I know that's going to complete my square. I don't have to draw the picture, and I know that I'm going to get y plus whatever half of 16 is, y plus 8. And then if I add all these together, you would think I could do it in my head, but I don't want to take a chance. So I got 64 plus 9. That makes 16. Right. Combine all those together. And so, I mean, so R is going to be 4. Okay. So this is the answer.